Watch this before trying to manifest winning the lottery law of attraction. Many people aspire to manifest winning the lottery using the law of attraction, but very few actually succeed. Of course, it's possible because everything in life that we manifest starts from thought. Even our existence is a product of thought. When universal intelligence aligns, manifestations occur. Have you heard those stories about entire workplaces pooling their money together to buy lottery tickets and frequently winning? That's because collective co-creation has immense power. Let's consider this. In a given physical dimension, there's a lottery in a specific country. Think about how many people are simultaneously praying, which is another way of saying trying to manifest, or using the law of attraction to win. With millions of people focusing on their numbers, how can everyone win? The strongest energy will prevail. You can't just claim to be an extremely strong energy by being emotional or desperate for the money. When you're in dire need, your thoughts and words are filled with lack and desperation. I need to win now, or please help me. This lack vibration also manifests, making it challenging to win. The same principles apply here. Set your intention and then let it go. However, your intention needs to be incredibly strong. If you work with a group, say 10, 20, or 30 people, joining hands in a circle and focusing on the same numbers, your collective vibrational frequency will be much stronger. If everyone is feeling abundant and visualizing success simultaneously, that energy will be much more powerful and reach the universe faster. By set it and forget it, I don't mean you should literally forget about it, but rather adopt a relaxed approach. Don't obsess daily about why it's not happening. Simply put your lottery ticket away and enjoy your life. It's crucial to not dwell on it and to enjoy yourself. Engage in activities that bring you joy and laughter, as these higher vibrational frequencies attract beautiful things. However, relying on the lottery as a solution isn't sustainable. Many who win the lottery end up spending it all because they lacked a wealth mindset. Sustainable wealth comes from learning how to manage and grow it. You can't rely on winning the lottery each time you need money. People often think one win will secure their future, but without a wealth mindset, they quickly find themselves broke again. Yes, it's possible to win, but my advice is to equip yourself with a sustainable wealth and abundance mindset. The law of attraction is often portrayed as a simple formula. Think positively, set your intention, and watch your desires come to fruition. But when it comes to something as complex as winning the lottery, it's not just about wishing hard enough. Understanding collective energy. When we talk about the power of collective energy, we're tapping into a concept that goes beyond individual efforts. In those stories where groups of people pool their resources and win, it's not just luck, it's the power of unified intention. When a group shares the same goal and collectively focuses their energy on it, their combined intention becomes a formidable force. This collective focus amplifies the vibrational frequency they send out into the universe, making it more impactful. The power of intention and vibration. When setting your intention to win the lottery, it's essential to approach it with a strong, clear, and positive mindset. However, if your thoughts are filled with desperation or lack, like, I need this money now, or I can't live without this, you're actually projecting a frequency of neediness and lack. This creates a vibration that can counteract your manifestation efforts. The key is to align with the vibration of abundance. Imagine already having won the lottery. Feel the joy and excitement as if it's happening now. This high vibration state aligns you with the energy of abundance rather than lack. The role of detached expectation. Setting it and forgetting it doesn't mean you should forget about your desire entirely. Instead, it means releasing attachment to the outcome. After setting your intention, let go of obsessive thinking and trust that the universe is working on your behalf. This relaxed approach prevents you from creating resistance through stress or anxiety. Enjoy your life and stay positive, but don't fixate on the lottery. Sustainable wealth mindset. While winning the lottery can be an exciting prospect, it's not a long-term solution to financial stability. Many lottery winners find themselves back in financial trouble because they didn't have a pre-existing wealth mindset. Sustainable wealth is about more than just a windfall. It involves understanding and implementing principles of financial management, growth, and abundance. To create lasting wealth, Focus on developing a mindset and habits that support financial stability and growth. Learn about budgeting, investing, and creating multiple streams of income. This way, you're not relying on chance, but on strategies that build and sustain prosperity.
Summary.
In summary, while the law of attraction can be a powerful tool, its effectiveness in high-stakes situations like winning the lottery requires more than just wishing. It involves collective energy, a positive and abundant mindset, and a relaxed, detached approach. For lasting success, focus on developing a wealth mindset and practical financial strategies rather than relying solely on luck.